Hello Kurosh, welcome to Petronics. So in this video I will give you the demo that how can you send and receive SMS using Roar that has been integrated with your Podio. So for example, if you have a list of the leads to which you want to send SMS, so you will upload that list inside the Roar, and we also have added another app with the name New Response Leads app. So whatever the list that you will upload inside the root, we will also upload that list inside this New Response Leads app. You can view our how to upload Excel sheet video that I have also sent you inside this messaging, Podio messaging. You can review our video if I come here. So So this is a video link to which you can see that how can you upload the Excel sheet and how can you map the relevant fields. And you can come here inside this wrench icon and you will click on this Excel import to import the list that you want to also upload inside the row. After importing the list inside this Excel sheet, then you can send SMS to that list using your row service. So whenever you will get response from that lead, it will show you the response in the form of, so if I go back here, so whenever you will get response from your lead, I am inside this New Response Leads app. So whatever the list you have uploaded inside the root as well as inside the New Response Leads app, so whenever you will get a response from a lead to which you have sent SMS from your Roar app, you will get the response of that lead inside New Response Leads app in the form of comment. So here you will see an option that incoming SMS has been received from the lead, and a comment will be printed with the message that has been sent to you by your lead. Now whenever you will receive that SMS, you can then move that lead into the seller by clicking on this move to seller button. So whenever you will click on this button move to seller, this lead will be moved into the seller leads app as well as it will be deleted from this New Response Leads app. So all the upcoming messages, you will get that messages inside the seller leads app because that lead has been now moved inside the seller leads app. So if I go to seller leads app and let me open one of the testing lead. So once a lead when have been moved inside the seller leads app, here you can send SMS by typing here SMS colon and then the message that you want to send, and then clicking enter, then this message will be sent to the lead and this will be the seller lead SMS sent. And whenever you will receive an SMS, and incoming SMS will be printed over here. Also a log will be generated inside this SMS log section with outgoing SMS and incoming SMS here. So in this way you can send and receive SMS. So again I will summarize all these things. So if you have a list of leads, you will upload that list inside the root as well as you need to upload that list inside the New Response Leads app. Now you will send SMS from root and some of the leads will give you the response in the form of message. This response will come inside this New Response Leads app. Here you have the option to move that lead inside the move to seller leads app. Whenever you will click on to move to seller leads app inside New Response Leads app, that lead will be deleted from this app New Response Leads and will be moved inside the seller leads app. Then from seller leads app you can send and receive SMS. For sending SMS, you need to enter the SMS colon and then the message that you want to send to this lead. And it will also create a SMS history over here, to which you can track, using which you can track your communication with your lead. So this was all about that how to send and receive SMS. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video.